Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to write a HelloFresh review. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So writing a comprehensive HelloFresh review involves sharing your personal experience with the service, including the ordering process, food quality, cooking experience, and optionally sharing feedback directly with the company. You can submit the reviews on the platforms like Trustpilot, Facebook groups, or directly on the HelloFresh application. Simply go ahead and open your HelloFresh application. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and find the My Menu option. And once you've found it, simply click on the specific recipe that you want to go ahead and rate. And then you can simply go ahead and click on See Full Recipe and click on the star icon next to the recipe name, which will allow you to go ahead and rate it. A window will appear for you to rate the meal and leave specific comment. Click on Save to submit your feedback. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.